Hey guys, what are you fighting about? Oh, you're trying to see who is the strongest? Why don't you have a strongman competition? I'm sure Maverick can knock something up for you. All right, I'll go get him. Hey, Maverick! What are you doing? That's very impressive, Maverick. Max and Mike are having a fight over who's the strongest. Can you help them decide by making a competition before they get hurt?
Mama.
Haha.
Hey, Mia. Nice landing.
Oh,
Mama.
Ready to help set up the competition?
Haha.
All right. Have an idea for the competition, Maverick? Oh, hey guys. Are you here to help set up the competition? Wake up, guys. It's time for the competition. Okay, guys, you have to lift all these balls onto the pedestals. Each one is heavier than the last. The person who lifts the heaviest ball up wins. Got it? Okay, go. Time's up, guys. Looks like Mike lifted the heaviest ball. Okay, guys, this time you have to throw the barrels over the banner. Each one is heavier than the last. You'd better get out of there, Maverick. Max, you threw the heaviest barrel over, so you win this round. This one's a race, guys. First one over the line with the weights wins the competition and is declared Monster Town's strongest monster. Ready to go? Three, 2, 1, go! Harder than it looks, eh? What's the matter, Mike? Quicksand! Oh no! Somebody help! Maverick has decided that Mia is the strongest monster. She carried Mike over the finish line as well as Mike's weights. Guys, you might have to settle it yourselves after all.
Hey, Mia.
Hey!
Oh, you're playing hide and seek?
Oh, oui, maman.
You're playing with Mo. I wonder where he'll hide.
Hey! Haha!
Mo, where will you hide?
Aha. Me.
Ready or not, here she comes. He's in a really good hiding place.
Hey. Aha.
Uh-oh, what happened? You read the markings on the wall. It must be magic words. You can't see anything. We'd better call for help.
Hey!
Hey, Mia, Mo got lost in the cave. Right, I'm sure Maverick can help. Hey, Maverick, basketball training? Well, you might stop it. Mo is lost in a cave. Can you come find him? You want Malcolm to help find him? Right. Malcolm is a great explorer. He knows his caves. Hey, Malcolm, looking for treasure? Maverick needs your help. Mo is lost in a cave. We need your adventurer skills. Can you help? Cool. He's still in there? Right. You better go inside and find him. Mo, are you here? Uh-oh. The situation's getting worse, guys. You see something? You think these words will make the crystals come back on? Okay, give it a try. Guys, it worked! And you found Mo! Uh-oh! I'm not sure those were the right words. You'd better get out of there. That was a close one, guys. I wonder why there were booby traps in that cave. Another mystery for another day indeed. Hey guys!
Haha, yeah.
What are you doing? Wow! A giant dinosaur structure! That's a great job you've done there. What's going on, guys? Oh! Watch out, Mike! Let me call Maverick! Maverick, hurry up! Mike has been eaten by a dinosaur! Mo and Mike were building a dinosaur made of straws when it fell on Mike! Air assistance? You're right, Maverick. Let's find Mia. What has happened there? Hey, Max! What happened? A giant pillow fight? Awesome! Was Mia part of the game? You're telling me those feathers actually are Mia? Okay, then. We should help her, don't you think, Maverick?
Wow!
Oh, great, Maverick! Kids, Maverick needs your help to get his air tube. To help Maverick get his air tube, say air tube. 1, 2, 3. Air tube! Really cool! Now, to get Mia rid of all these feathers, please blow! Max, Maverick, you ready? 1, 2, 3. We should blow harder, right, guys? Ready? 1, 2, 3. We should blow longer. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey, Mia. Glad to see you. Oh! Well done, Max. You're all clean now. You're right, Maverick. Mia, we need your help to get Mike out of a dinosaur's belly. Kids, Maverick wants to use his booster speed. To help him use his booster speed, shout, booster speed. 1, 2, 3. Booster speed! Guys, Maverick is here. Oh, Mo, you should stop. Wow! Relax, guys. It's just Mike getting impatient.
Oh, ballon.
Don't worry, Mia. Mike is getting impatient. You really should act now. Courage, Mia! Of course! Work as a team! 1, 2, 3, go! Just a little more effort. Well done, guys. Kids, you know what to do. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, guys. It's great to see you. Enjoying the view, eh? All right. You want to race in the mountain? But it looks very dangerous. Okay, suit yourselves. Good luck to you both. Ready? Steady? Go! Don't do that, Marty. It's not a fair way to win. Mo, you're going to hurt yourself. Marty, don't. Stop this, you guys. Marty, watch out! Oh my goodness. Told you guys it was a dangerous road. Don't be so sure of yourself, Marty. You were very lucky, you know. Are you all right, Marty? You really don't look good, Marty. Even as a monster shark, you need help. Mo, look after Marty. Maverick will know what to do. Hi, Maverick. You look like a proper pirate. What are you looking at? Oh, great. The view is outstanding from up here. Maverick, you must go down. Looks like someone's calling for you. You know what needs to be done, Maverick. Hi, Miranda. What are you up to?
What? Me?
Redecorating the town, are you?
What? Oh.
Marty and Mo were doing a race up in the mountain, and Marty has had an accident. He's badly hurt. Can you take your medicine and help him?
Me.
Thanks, Miranda. Let's climb that mountain. Do you feel like climbing that, Miranda?
Oh. Ah.
Miranda? Miranda? Where are you? Maverick, perhaps we should get some rest for a while. Okay, but we can't stay too long. Marty needs our help. All right, let's go. Come on, Marty. Hold on. Here comes Maverick and Miranda.
Me?
Maverick, could you fetch a special spray inside Miranda's truck to repair Marty's dented hood? Close your eyes, Marty. Miranda's going to spray your hood. Use your spray on the bump as well. It might do the trick. Amazing. Looks like you still have fever, Marty. Miranda, do you have something to heal Marty? Good job, Miranda. How do you feel, Marty? Such a relief. Thanks for the painting, Miranda. It's useful. Okay, guys. Ready? Go! Wow, what was that? Hi, Cranes. Why are you throwing some bales of straw? Hi, Max. Are you going to tell me what's happening here? You're building a race circuit? Awesome. Ooh, I see. It's Monster Town's Grand Prix tonight. Well, you'd better hurry up if you want to be ready before it gets dark. That's the spirit. Uh-oh. Cranes, what mischief are you planning this time? Take it easy, guys. Whew. Nice one, Max. Sometimes cranes can be really... Please don't play their game. You have a race circuit to finish. Oh, never mind. Guys? Milo? Mitch? Are you there? Max is so sorry. Yep, the cranes are completely knocked down for a while. You can't finish the race circuit by yourself, Max. Right. We should call Maverick. Meanwhile, you should take care of the cranes. Yep, they definitely need to get some rest. Maverick? Wow. Come on, Maverick. Everybody knows you're the fastest in Monster Town. Oh, you're training for the big race tonight? The Cranes and Max were shaping the race circuit for the Grand Prix tonight, and, well, things got out of hand. Max needs help to finish the race circuit. You have to do something, Maverick. Hi, Mia. Mia? You're here. Are you excited about the big race tonight? Mia, we need your help to finish the race circuit for tonight. Max is on his own right now. Milo and Mitch? Well, they're not at their best right now. You'll see. You're right, Maverick. We should get going. The clock's ticking away, guys. How do you feel, Cranes? It doesn't get any better, right? Meanwhile, we've got company. Oh, Milo and Mitch. They've just been hit by a bale of straw. But it was an accident. Right, Max? All right, guys. Let's go to work. We have a race circuit to achieve. Great teamwork, guys. Come on, Maverick. Dig deep. We're almost finished. Finally. Are you guys feeling any better? Oh, the race circuit? Prepped and ready for action. You want to race too? Are you sure it's a good idea? Maybe you still need some... Ladies and gentlemen, the big race is about to start. Ready, set, go! Guys, in the other way. Enjoy the race, my friends. See you soon. Guys, quick. Well done, Mo. Wow, awesome shot, Max. Guess who's coming to play volleyball? I don't think Max wants to play with you, Marty. You're too clumsy. Last time you played volleyball, you got the ball stuck up in a tree. Looks like it's your lucky day, Marty. You're in. Marty, that was the only volleyball. Oh dear, Marty, you've really messed up. Hey, why don't we call Maverick and see if he can help out? Better put that down and go inside, Maverick. Clumsy Marty threw Max and Mo's volleyball into the sea. Can you help? Cheer up, Marty. Here comes Maverick. Marty was playing volleyball with Max and Mo, but he hit the ball too hard, and it flew all the way into the sea. Now, how are we going to get it out? Hey, where's Maverick? Whoa, Maverick, what are you doing? Get out of the way, Marty. Whoa! What's wrong? Looks like your wheel is trapped. Can you move it? No? Oh dear. You'd better sound your horn and hope Marty hears you. I think Maverick's in trouble. Come on, Marty.
Yeah.
We have to do something.
Wow.
Awesome work, guys. We'd better tell Max and Mo they can have their volleyball back. Wow, Marty. Great shot. See you all soon. Have a great game, guys. Hey, guys. What are you... What on earth are you guys doing? Oh, you're seeing who can fly the furthest from your slingshot. That's very far, Marty. You better be careful. Woo-hoo! Hey! Marty? Are you okay? I can't hear you, Marty. Are you stuck in the sand? Oh no! It would be funny, Mo. But it looks like the tide is coming in. Why don't we ask Maverick for help? He'll know what to do. Hi, Maverick. It's time for some action. Marty and Mo were playing with a giant slingshot, and Mo got stuck in the sand. Can you help him? Mike, we need your help to save Marty. All right, let's go. What will you guys do to help? Of course, you can dig him out, Mike. That's strange. Why is Marty still stuck in the hole? What's that? A rock? Marty must be stuck in a rock. Guys, you better hurry. Maverick, what are you doing? Good job, Maverick. Maybe you should put the slingshot away for now, though. See you later, guys. Bye, everyone.
Hey, Malcolm. What are you doing here in the jungle? You're looking for treasure? There's a rumor of an old pirate ship here, eh?
Help! Whoa! Oh no! Oh!
That was a close one. You nearly went in the river. Can you get back up? better see if Maverick can help. Wow, nice jump, Maverick.
Mama, pata. Oh.
You're right. It is good to practice. You never know when you need to jump.
Hey. Mama.
Maverick, it's your alarm. You'd better go and see what's up.
Mama. Huh? Mama, Mama.
How can you help Malcolm?
Đi là.
You think Mo might be able to help?
Mama.
Well, let's get going. Look out! Oh, you've got oil in your eyes. That's not good. That better? Mo, Maverick needs something to help Malcolm. He's stuck on the riverbank. Do you have anything?
Mama. Yeah.
The winch will help you pull Malcolm up.
Hey.
All right. Thanks, Mo.
Hey. Hey.
Don't worry, Malcolm. Maverick is going to find a way around.
Hey. Mama.
Malcolm, that's what's weighing you down. You'll have to let it go. I know you like it, but it's too heavy for you to get back up. Treasure is no good if you're stuck on a riverbank. Tough going, eh, guys?
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm sure you'll find some treasure next time, Malcolm.
Eh?
What's that? I think Malcolm got some treasure after all. What a peaceful day in Monster Town. Marty, what are you up to? Hi, Mo. Taking a lunch break?
Right? Wait.
Marty, that was a mean prank. And now the river's carrying Mo downstream. Oh, hold on, Mo. Uh-oh. We're gonna have to ask Maverick to come and help. Hi, Maverick. There you go. All fixed. Marty played a trick on Mo and he fell in the river. Show Maverick where to go, Marty. It's okay, Mo. Your buddy Maverick is coming to save you. Come on, Maverick. You can do it. Don't let go, Mo. Mo! Uh-oh, there's more trouble ahead. Well, at least Mo's not going anywhere now. Hang on! He's sinking! And you can't swim! Mo! Incredible! How did you get out of the river? You had some help. Marty, you saved Mo. Marty's sorry he made you fall in the river. Mo's just glad you and Maverick saved him. That was a great team effort, guys. Until the next time, play safe, monster trucks.